There is a reason Nsala Soup, also known as white soup, has remained one of Nigeria's most loved traditional soups. It is famous for its unique tastes and the kind of meals that brings everyone to the table. So come along, let me show you exactly how I made this delicious Nsala soup from start to finish.
Took you like a shot, thought that I could chase you with a cold evening. Let a couple.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making a delicious Nsala soup. Here are all the ingredients you'll be using for this recipe. We have yam, crayfish, uziza seeds and ogiribo. There is no complete Nsala soup without uziza seed. They add that signature flavor the soup is known for. Next, we have dried fish, stockfish. I'm using the ear parts, and oyai. If you can't find this, you can substitute it with oda. We will also be using uziza leaves, just like the seed. Next is fresh pepper. I'm using a combination of red and yellow peppers for their unique flavors. For seasoning, I will be using Knorr seasoning, and as for the protein, I'm using soft chicken and cow tribe. To begin, place the meat in a pot and add salt, seasoning cubes, and the blended peppers I showed you earlier. Cover and allow everything to steam for a few minutes. While the meat is steaming, let's prepare the yam. Can you believe I bought this yam for 2,500 naira? With this current season, I honestly wonder how yam sellers make a profit. I bought this yam just yesterday, and by this morning, almost half of it had already started spoiling. I had to cut that part off. And it really got me thinking how much they lose every day. Anyways, I peeled the yam, washed it, and set it aside. Back to the meat, it has steamed nicely and released its natural juice. At this point, I added enough water to cook the meat and make the soup as well. Next, I added the yam so it could cook together with the meat. Then I added the oyai, followed by stockfish. Cover the pot and continue cooking. Some minutes later, I checked the yam and they are perfectly cooked. At this stage, make sure the yam is very soft before removing it from the pot. If it's still hard, it won't pound smoothly and you may end up with lumps in your soup. Next, I added the dried fish, uziza seed which was blended, crayfish, and ogiribo. Stir everything together until well combined. There is no complete Nsala soup without ogiribo, except you are cooking pepper soup. Lastly, I added the remaining seasoning cubes, cover the pot, and allow everything to continue cooking. A few minutes later, I came back to check on the soup. It was cooking beautifully, so I gave it a good stir before adding the pounded yam, which serves as the thickener for the soup. Cover it again and continue cooking. After a few more minutes, the soup had thickened nicely. At this point, I removed the remaining piece of yam from the pot. This is exactly why I prefer adding the yam in chunks instead of blending, because once the soup reaches my preferred consistency, I simply remove the remaining yam before it dissolves completely. I like my Nsala soup to be somewhere in between, not too thick and not too watering. Some people prefer theirs to be very thick, but I personally prefer a lighter consistency. And once I was happy with the thickness, I removed the oil, added the uziza leaves, covered the pot for another few minutes, and just like that, our Nsala soup is ready. One thing I absolutely love about this soup is how quick and easy it is to prepare. Once your ingredients are ready, everything comes together in no time. Just look at how beautiful the soup turns out, and the consistency is exactly how I like it. Rich, smooth, and absolutely delicious. If you taste this soup, if you have watched to this point, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. It really helps YouTube recommend my videos to more people and to new people who have never come across my channel before. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support me. I truly appreciate every one of you. I hope you found this video very helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.